What's up, guys? It's Local Vigilance. Just a short little kind of gaff for you guys, I guess, today. This is how we use our microwave. Vigilance DIY Microwave. Gonna open this up. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day today, as am I. Currently tuned into a live stream of a bunch of cool music, so some pretty cool stuff. Anyways, now just sit back and enjoy the show. It's funny to see that actually, all like the electronics inside and pretty cool stuff actually, but it looks very old. So, anyways, guys, so a bit of an update. My Elite Dangerous video series from the Spirograph Nebula is going up today. My first video goes up today, my second goes up tomorrow, and third, and my last one, well, just the last one will go up before Saturday because I got Cars from Coffee on Saturday. So, hope you guys enjoy. Peace out. Noble Vigilance.